Hi, this is attorney Christie from the Christie Law Firm, and I'm here today to talk about the strain that a legal case can have on a family, whether you're dealing with DCF or family court. And just starting with DCF, that in and of itself, if DCF brings you to court, it is stressful. If DCF has an investigation on your family, it is stressful. One of the things that I've come to realize is that kids, they're stressed out about it. Sometimes they're wondering, are they going to be taken into foster care, even if it's just an investigation, or maybe they're in foster care and they're not understanding how this happened or how they're going to get home. And so that can cause a lot of stress on a family. And then you have family court where, one parent has filed and they want more visitation or they want child support, and there's this conflict and there's a disagreement as to what the visitation should be like in parenting time. And again, kids are somehow in the middle of that. They know the conflict, they don't know, they sometimes may feel like they have to take sides when they should not. So one of the things that we try to do as a law firm is actually help families think about the family as a whole and the impact on the kids outside of even the court case or the DCF investigation. We try to, teach parents about how to prepare a child for a DCF interview. We actually have videos on that, and we talk to the, family clients, the clients in family court, and try to encourage them to, think about what is best for the child, because that's how the courts are going to determine what should happen in a case, especially in family court. It's not mom against dad, it's what's in the best interest of the child. And so we use that perspective when dealing with our cases, which is again unique to us as a law firm, because we are looking at the family as a whole, but we're also child-centered, and we want to make sure that what we do is going to help the child as well. We are here for moms, we are here for dads, we are here for parents, but we are really also here for the kids. I remember, and I've shared some stories before, my family made all the difference for me. They were there for me in tough times. They were there for me in college. They helped me as a kid. They helped form even my work ethic. So I have come to really love and, have the support of family. And so, and this is, I'm an older person now, and I'll still call my mom and ask her what I should do when I'm sick. And so, these are relationships that are not going anywhere despite what's happening in court. The court case will end at some point, but that family relationship, that family bond is not going anywhere. So what we encourage you to do is find ways to support yourself through these legal battles. It is anxiety provoking, absolutely anxiety provoking. You have sometimes virtually no control over, sometimes the outcomes, because judges make their decisions. Other parties, want to go in a different direction from what you're thinking. And like I said, it can be anxiety provoking, it can be nerve wracking, it can sometimes even anger you. But what we like to do is really come along to support our clients, to talk them through certain matters, to talk them through what the legal issues are, trying to find the best solution for them. We can have an opinion, but we really work hard to talk with our families, to talk with our clients, to say what's going to work for you. How are we going to get through this process? And we'll even encourage our clients to find counseling for themselves. It's regardless of what DCF's recommendations are, we sometimes say you need support for you. You need to be strong enough to hang in there and to go through, because it's going to take a while. Sometimes, especially with DCF, it can take months before things are resolved. And we don't want clients to, give up in the midst of that because it's so hard. So that's what we do. We take some pride in that. We take it personally. Sometimes we get just as angry with DCF, if not more. But we do what we need to do so that families can feel supported, so that families can have, their integrity intact, so that as they grow, and again, as these kids get older, that there is some foundation, that there are these bonds that stay strong, that stay true, so that, again, these kids can have their parents to rely on, talk to, like I do at my age, still calling my mom and telling her what's been going on, what the doctor said, and know what's been happening with me. So be encouraged. Do not give up, no matter how hard the process is. Find help for yourself. Do talk with a counselor. There is nothing wrong with counseling. It's one of the best things anyone could ever engage in, because you're talking to someone who's got no vested interest, who's got no bias, and their whole job is there to help you. So do what you need to do for yourself as you're going through these legal battles, these legal interventions, and DCF is involved, and keep your family intact. Think about your family's integrity. Think about the love that you have for your children, and know that this is a relationship that's going to far outlast the legal battle. If you ever need assistance, please don't hesitate to contact the Christie Law Firm. We have several different ways that we can help families, from being able to hire us as full attorneys or doing consultation. Anything that we can do to help you, even if you can't afford the full representation, we are here to support, and we offer other services to be able to give you that support. Take care.